Mental health awareness tip and hope. Do you know something? Do you know you can be living in a rich country and be poor and rat poor? How? You can be a slave to your job. You can be a slave to the system. Do not live your life like that. Like Jesus said, what will they give you when you have all the stuff, all the riches in the world? What will they give you? Nothing. So don't be a slave to riches. Bye bye.